So everything is now primered and welded on the bottom of the car. So now the next thing to do is to add the seam sealer on all the seams. The seam sealer I'm using is the Finixa seam sealer, and it's a sprayable one. So because afterwards we are going to put an undercoating on it and then a coat of paint. So I already started to add some seam sealer on all the seams, but now I'm going to do the rest, and then I flip it over and I do the other side. As you can see, the whole of the underside is now seam sealed. So the next thing we are doing now are taping off all of the holes and all of the threaded parts, so that no undercoating is going into them. And then we are going to apply the undercoating. Here we started applying the undercoating. In a moment I will show you what undercoating we are using. Enjoy the time lapse. So now I'm going to apply undercoating on the car. I use these crop underbody coating in the color VS1 white. This is a flexible coating that will allow me to paint over it after that I am done with it. So I am almost in the middle of the car. So now I'm going to finish this up so that everything is nice and white on the bottom.
relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
Here you can see that all of the underbody is now coated with the undercoating. As you can see, it is nice white undercoating. So when we apply the spray paint, which will also be white, it will blend nicely together. The last step we are doing is applying the 2K high gloss spray paint with the rattle can. I am using the Ford XSC 691 diamond white paint. It's the original paint coat of the car, and this will also be the exterior color of the car. As you can see now, the whole of the underbody is again coated with the undercoating and also the 2K high gloss spray paint. So the underbody is now fully protected and can at least go another 50 years. The last thing that I'm going to do today is painting and refurbishing the rear axle, and this will be important for the next part of this build that you will see in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video.
I've seen relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds.
Thanks again for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I also hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I certainly did, and because of that, that's why the video had a small delay.